The retina is a paper-thin layer at the back of your eye. It measures about 200 micrometers thick, which is less than the width of a human hair. On that layer sits two types of cells that decide how you see the world: rods and cones. Rods, they are the night workers. Each one contains rhodopsin, a pigment so sensitive it can react to a single photon, the smallest particle of light. You have about 120 million rods in each eye, spread mostly around the edges of the retina. That is why they give you wide-angle vision, close to 180 degrees, to help you notice motion in the dark. But rods cannot sense color. They only work in shades of gray. Cones, they handle the daytime job. There are about 6 million cones in each eye, packed into the fovea, the tiny center of the retina that's only about 1.5 millimeters wide, roughly the size of a pinhead. Cones come in three types, tuned to blue, green, and red. And working together, they let your brain create the full range of color. If one type fails, colors fade. If all fail, vision becomes gray. When these systems break down, blindness follows. In retinitis pigmentosa, rods fail first, so night vision disappears and sight narrows into a tunnel. In macular degeneration, cones in the center die, so faces and detail blur while the edges remain. Both conditions show how fragile this thin sheet of cells really is. Science is working on ways to restore vision. Gene therapy is being tested to repair faulty genes in rods and cones. And retinal implants, tiny grids of electrodes, smaller than a fingernail, can stimulate remaining cells. The brain reads those signals as points of light called phosphenes. It's not natural sight, but it is a step out of the darkness. For most of history, blindness was final. But today, the very cells that fail, rods and cones, are helping scientists find ways to bring your vision back. These are Interesting Things with JC.